In this video, I'll walk you through on how to set up and integrate your Klaviyo account to your e-commerce store in just a few minutes. Stay till the end for handy tips on how to enhance your new account setup. Let's get started. I will start by creating a new Klaviyo account and connecting it to your e-commerce store. By the way, in this example, I will be using Shopify, but the process is very similar for any other direct integration with Klaviyo. If you already have a Klaviyo account, you can skip this step by using the handy timestamp down below. Here's what you need to do. Head to the Klaviyo homepage and click on Sign Up located at the top right. Fill out your company's details, including email, website, and mobile number, and hit the Create Account button. After completing the company details, you'll be prompted to connect your store. Select your e-commerce platform from the menu. In my case, I will choose Shopify. Go to your Shopify homepage and copy the Shopify version of the URL. Paste the copied URL into Klaviyo and it will redirect you to the Shopify backend. Here we'll install the Shopify app for Klaviyo. Click on Install App at the top right and proceed with the account setup wizard. All right, we're back to Klaviyo now. For this step, you'll need to set up your physical store address to comply with international anti-spam laws. Your physical store address will also be shown at the footer of all of your emails. Next, you need to add your sender information. This includes the name and email address from which your emails will be sent to your customers' inboxes. I recommend setting this up as an inbox you frequently check so you can receive your customers' replies. Continuing with the setup, Klaviyo will ask you about your goal and whether you want to use Klaviyo for email only, SMS only, or email and SMS. Since we're going to be setting email and SMS together, we'll choose that option. Quick note, Klaviyo can manage your email and SMS, but please note that SMS is currently supported only in these 4 countries: the US, Canada, Australia, and the UK. In this video, I will cover the SMS basics, but if SMS is not supported in your country, you can skip this part. Now that my account setup is complete, Klaviyo gives you a nice little checklist with your next steps. Looks like I just need to enable the website tracking, which is a little snippet of JavaScript code that will help you do all sorts of cool things, like display your sign-up forms, track site activity, etc., etc. Voila, the on-site JavaScript code is activated. Now make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Back to Klaviyo now. Refresh your screen. If the Klaviyo Embed app is enabled successfully, you should see this message. Let's return back to the Klaviyo dashboard. Beautiful. This is the dashboard you'll see every time you log into your Klaviyo account. One last check. We'll need to go to your profile at the bottom left corner, click on integration, and type your e-commerce platform. In our case, it's Shopify. Great, looks like we're all set. After the integration is complete, Klaviyo will start syncing your store's data, including customer information, orders, and products. If you already have a Klaviyo account, follow these steps. Please make sure you turn the on-site tracking, which will help you activate the browse abandonment flow, the site abandonment flow, and will allow you to display your pop-ups on your site. Simply go to your Klaviyo Integrations tab by clicking on your store's avatar at the bottom left side of the screen. Find your e-commerce platform, in our case, it's Shopify. Now click this link under on-site tracking, which will redirect you to the exact page inside of your Shopify theme. Then under the app embeds, make sure that the Klaviyo on-site JavaScript is enabled and this little box is checked. If you're not using Shopify, here's a useful article on how to set it up based on your e-commerce store integration. If you'd like to check it out, I'll leave a link to it down below. Bonuses. As promised, we lined up a few handy tips to make sure your store is optimized for maximum profits. But before we dive into the first one, let's make sure we've got our lists ready. We recommend using 3 lists: newsletter, SMS subscribers, and checkout signups. These first 2 lists already exist inside of your new Klaviyo account. The newsletter for your pop-up and footer signups, and SMS subscribers only if you're planning to use SMS in your account. So the only list we have left to create is the checkout signups. This list will collect any subscribers who subscribe during the checkout process. Let's create it quickly together. Go to Lists and Segments and find a pre-made list called Preview List. Now change its name to Checkout Signups. Great, you're all set here. Now let's set up the checkout signups by giving customers the option to subscribe to email and SMS during the checkout process. First, go to the Shopify integration settings within Klaviyo. This is the integration we set up initially. In the subscriber section, check the Sync Your Shopify Email Subscribers to Klaviyo box. A drop menu will appear, allowing you to select the list to add your subscribers to. Choose the Checkout Signups list that we created earlier. Additionally, if you wish to collect SMS subscribers, check the Collect SMS Subscribers box under the SMS section. Select the SMS subscribers list for this purpose. Subscribers who check the Email Me with News and Offers box will be added to the checkout signups list. The same applies to the SMS checkbox, which we'll enable shortly. Finally, click on Update the Settings and ensure to click Update Integration to save the changes. By following these steps, you have successfully added the sign-up option for both email and SMS during the checkout process. Back to Klaviyo now, and tip number 1. We recommend disabling the double sign-up process on all your lists. This means that customers will immediately start receiving your emails upon signing up, without having to confirm their subscription through a confirmation email to reduce friction. Quick note, if you're having issues with spam, we recommend keeping the double sign-up process, as it will ensure you're only adding customers who explicitly want to be on your list. Tip number 2, set up your email attribution windows to 5 days. Go to your Klaviyo settings, under the email tab, attribution, and right here, you want to add the number 5. By doing so, Klaviyo will attribute any sales only for 5 days and not more. Another tip is to pre-select sign up at checkout. This will allow you to collect emails when people start the checkout process. To set this up, you want to go to your Shopify settings, checkout, marketing option, and make sure these two are pre-selected. Also, make sure to check the SMS marketing box to enable the SMS collection in checkout, which we did earlier. All right, that's a wrap. Now that your Klaviyo account is all set, in our next video, we're going to talk about which emails are vital to have inside of your customer journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more Klaviyo tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.